nameless in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. Back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Guys, we just did a wonderful spotting session at the airport, on the aerohub parking lot. It was good. Obviously, it was good.